Assalamu alaikum everyone. With another good day, your teacher Tashwin is here for your 8th English lecture. In our circle time, first of all, we are going to reinforce our dua before sleeping and dua before drinking milk. So my kids, you have to be attentive and we are going to reinforce dua before drinking milk, and then we will reinforce dua before sleeping. So first, dua before drinking milk. Allahumma barik lana fihi wazidna minhu. Allahumma barik lana fihi wazidna minhu. Allahumma barik lana fihi wazidna minhu. Now dua before sleeping. Allahumma bismika amutu wa ahya. Allahumma bismika amutu wa ahya. Allahumma bismika amutu wa ahya. Okay, so you have to reinforce these dua, okay, before drinking milk and before sleeping. Now in our circle time, first of all, we will explore mothers and their babies. We will through an activity page from your student book. That page is page number 14, and then we will recall our alphabets, their sounds, vocabulary words and letter chants. So, and also we are going to play a game. Okay, that game's name is I Spy with My Little Eye.
One 23. Listen and point.
Look, this is a bear. It's a mom. And this is a bear. It's a baby. Look, this is a cat. It's a mom. And this is a cat. It's a baby. Look, here's a mom. And this is her baby.
Okay kids, we are going to play a game I Spy with My Little Eye. So I have so many objects over here, some flashcards. So I'm just going to pick one by one, and you just think about the alphabet sound, beginning sound, that's object's name, and then beginning sound recall in your mind, and then you have to tell me the beginning sound. Okay, so we are going to play this game. So let's start. First of all, I am going to recall these alphabets over here, which we have already done. You can see the flashcards over here, and then we will recall their vocabulary words and their letter chants and sounds. Okay. So first, I am going to reinforce from letter A. A. Remember this alphabet? Okay, so you can see A, 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 apple, A, apple. Okay, so here is your alphabet A, and I'm also going to reinforce its letter chant. So you remember that Adam's apple, Adam's apple, Adam's apple, Okay. So for the next alphabet, I'm just going to place it again over here so you can see this alphabet. Okay. So this is your alphabet. B. Bus. Okay, so B, B, bus. So which alphabet is this? B, bus. Okay, I'm also calling their vocabulary words which are already given in your books, student books. Okay, so I'm just going to place it here, and we are going to do letter chant with this alphabet. You remember that? B, birds. B, birds. B, birds. B, birds. Adam's apple. Adam's apple. B, birds. B, birds. B, birds. Now I am going to recall the third one. Okay, so this is your letter. Seek. The sound of this is seek. Cat. Seek. Cat. Okay. Seek. Cat. Okay. Now I'm also going to do letter chant of this alphabet. Okay. Seek. Cut. Seek. Cut. Seek. Cut. Okay. Adam's apple. Adam's apple. B, birds. B, birds. B, birds. Okay. Seek. Cut. Seek. Cut. Seek. Cut. Okay, let's play a game I Spy with My Little Eye. Okay kids, we are going to play this game I Spy with My Little Eye. So I will pick one object from over here, and then I will show you, and you will recall its name and its beginning sound. Okay, so let's start. So I spy with my little eye that there is something over here. Which can I show you? Like this one, it's in my hand. Okay, it begins with seek curve. You are right. Seek curve. Okay, so we are going to do the next one. I spy with my little eye that there is something over here, so I can show you. This is in my hand, and you have to tell me the name of this object. Okay, I'm going to show you this one from this side so you can guess. Ambulance. Ambulance. You can see it. It's ambulance written here. It's ambulance. Okay, I'm going to, let's see. I spy with my little eye that there is something over here, so I can show you this one. Okay, what's this? What's in my hand? Bus. Bus. Okay, let's start again. I spy with my little eye that there is something over here that begins with. This is in my hand, and what's this? I'm gonna show you from all this side so you can see it. It's in my hand. That is apron. Apron. Okay, again. I spy with my little eye that there is something over here that begins with this. what's this? You can see in my hand that this is cat. Cat. Very good. You know their names? That's good. Okay. So now I'm going to pick one card. I spy with my little eye that there is something begins with. Okay. What's in my hand? It's a banana. Banana. Very nice. Okay. So you know their names. That's good. Okay. Again, I spy with my little eye that there is something begins with. I'm gonna show you. What's this? It's a it's a beaver brush. Very good. Okay, I spy with my little eye that there is something over here. That's. I want to take this one and I want to show you. Okay, what's in my hand? It's a car. Very nice. Very good. You know their names. That's good. Car. Okay. I spy with my little eye that there is something over here, which is. Oh, look at this in my hand. What's this? It's apple. Apple. Very good. Okay. Clap for yourself. You know their names. Okay. I spy with my little eye that there is something over here that begins with. Okay. I'm going to show you this one. Cake. And you can see the candles. Candle. Okay. You can do this activity at home with your toys. You can find out small toys like these and their beginning sounds, and you can play with your mama. And okay, again I'm going to look at some cards or some objects. I spy with my little eye. There is something over here that begins with. You can see. What's this? Tell me. It's a basket. Basket. It's a small basket, toy basket. It's a basket. Basket. Okay. Now I spy with my little eye that there is something over here. I can see that okay. This one. What's in my hand? It's a corn. I like it too. Okay, corn. Okay. So you have to. Okay, one more thing. I spy with my little eye that there is something over here. I can see these in my hands. It's a blocks. Blocks. Okay. So I'm going to reinforce. I will start from this alphabet. Okay. I'm going to show you this one. Okay. You can see apple. A apple. A apple. Okay. I'm just going to reinforce these vocabulary words which are given in your student book. So in your student book, this alphabet is given A and this vocabulary word apple. A apple. Okay. The next one. This one. Bus. 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 This alphabet is given B, and this vocabulary object is given bus. Bus. Okay. For the third one, which alphabet is this? Just I want to show you this one, the small one I have. Okay. So I hope so you can see this one. Cat. Cat. This alphabet is given in your student book, and this cat. Sorry, not cap. It's a cat. Okay, cat is given in your student book as a vocabulary word. Okay, so you learn the name of these objects and their beginning sounds. Okay, so let's do our activity pages. Okay kids, here is your page number 13 from your activity book, and we have already done our student book page in our circle time, mothers and their babies explore together, that we have already done that one. So it is also reinforcement of that page. It's a baby bear and it's a mother bear, so or mother and a baby. Okay, so we are going to, it's already done this page. Like you just have to match and color these. So here are the paths given. You just start from this. Okay, we are going to start from this cat. Okay, cat, it's a kitten, not cat, and so it's this kitten wants to go to see its mama. Okay, so we are going to start from this way, at this point. Just put your crayon, any color, but whatever your favorite color, you just start from this way and start tracing like this, and just go this way and to see mama cat. Okay, it's a baby cat, it's a kitten. Okay, and it's a cat. Now for the next one, it's a baby bear. It's a baby bear given here. Okay, baby bear. This baby bear wants to see this way, wants to go this way and see his mama. Okay, so we are going to start from this way. So you also do this with me right now, so you can finish this page. Okay, right now you have to do, you have to complete right now with me. Okay, now for the next one, it's a baby. Baby is here, and this baby wants to see his mama. His mama is here and she is smiling. These mamas are smiling to see their babies. Okay, so this baby wants to go this way, running and running. It's running, going, and here it is. Here is mama. Mama is happy to see her boy. Okay, so her baby. So you have to complete this page right now with me. This is your page number 14, and it's a reinforcement page for your alphabet. And I think so it's very easy for you now. You know their names, these alphabets, and their sounds and their vocabulary words which are given over here. Okay, so what we have to do, I'm just going to give you instructions for this. you have to find and circle. Okay, find and circle. Find and circle. Find. Here is your alphabet given. A, B, B, C, K. Okay, so A, find A, apple. So we are going to find a apple over here in this picture. So I can see over here. Where is A, apple. A apple is given over here, and I can see over here this one. A apple on this tree. Okay, quickly do this one with me. Hurry up. You have to complete right now this page. A apple. A apple. For the next alphabet, B, bus. B, bus. Bus is given here. You can also color these one. Okay, if you like. B, bus. So I can trace this B, and this one B, bus. Okay, you can circle it like this. Okay, I forgot to circle these apples as well. You have to circle. Okay, so you just circle this bus. Bus here. A apple. A apple. Bus. Okay, bus. The next one is C. Seek, cat. So we have to find out seek, cat. I can see seek, cat. This one, seek, cat. And the small cat is sitting in this house. It's sitting in the window. So you can also circle this one. Seek, cat. Okay kids, it's time to say Allah Hafiz. Before that, I want to say something, that please make sure that you have to reinforce these alphabets along with their sounds, vocabulary words, and don't forget to reinforce letter chants as well. Okay, so take care till then, and for your next lecture, please get these things ready so we can complete our project. In your next lecture, we can make our photo frame. Okay, so take care. Allah Hafiz.